Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In Group in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to start doing some videos on, big collections that we've gotten in. I picked this one up yesterday from a local guy who, this is his second time selling his collection. He's switching to digital, so because this is his second time selling his collection, most of this stuff is a little bit more modern. I put the box sets on top. If you come on over here, we'll kind of start with the box sets. Most of the box sets are still sealed. Some bootlegs, Stones, bootlegs, a lot of Rolling Stones in this collection. Creedence, the new half-speed master box, Sting, Eric Clapton, Beatles, Escher demos, Abbey Road. He was buying it actually until recently. ZZ Top, Pink Floyd's Pulse, Tom Petty box, American Treasure, Police box, Traffic, Rolling Stones, #2 box, Beatles box. There was 2 of those in the collections. One sealed, one was open. That was the open one. BC-13 Beatles box. Other ZZ Top box. A lot of good Rolling Stones in this collection. This is the Gurr vinyl box set. And this is long out of print, goes for some money. The Rolling Stones box in mono. This is box number 27, so a really, really low number. 27 out of 1,000. Janis Joplin box, Kraftwerk, Jimmy. Styx box set. Eric Clapton. He had a Doors Analog Productions Infinite box set. Blood, Sweat and Tears Analog Productions. Bruce Springsteen, Eagles, Buffalo Springsteen, Carpenters. Rolling Stones, Charlie Is My Darling. Rolling Stones, this is actually quite hard to find. Rolling Stones from the 80s. Jimi Hendrix Experience. Sealed Beatles in mono. Really excited to have some more mono Beatles around the store. Zeppelin, BBC, Mothership, Steve Miller, some more Steve Miller, and the Monkees. As far as the vinyl goes, I mean, everything he had was ultrasonically cleaned and or cleaned with the VPI. But I'll kind of skim you through this. Some audiophile stuff, a lot of new stuff that's in print. There's a little bit of vintage stuff in there. Jimi Hendrix. This unfortunately all got put in the wrong way. The tabs are all messed up because of how I unloaded it and loaded it into the car. But a lot of this is the imprint Jimi Hendrix stuff. Heart. Piano Man, now out of print, starting to go up in price. A lot of Hendrix. A lot of Elton John. Some Eagles. He put this post-it note here for stuff that was still sealed. Essentially what he did is he digitized a lot of this. White vinyl. Some Japanese imports, not a ton. He digitized a lot of this stuff. And that's kind of going to be what he listens to from this point forward. Some Moody Blues. These are actually quite hard to get now. Some more Zeppelin bootlegs. This is all the in-print John Lennon. Some ABBA. Allman Brothers. Now he did go back. There's a nice original sealed. Actually, that looks like it's a second pressing. Doesn't have the textured cover. A lot of this is original. He did have, I think, all of the Rolling Stones vaults. Sade. He had a Music on Vinyl Love Deluxe, which is, God, starting to go up, is almost $100 out of print. You know, all the recently pressed Birds, a lot of Carpenters, some Cars greatest hits, the Australian repress of the Collector's album that came out in the 80s, a lot of just Chicago, some CCR. There's kind of some of the From the Vaults, current pressing of Marvin Gaye. Let's look down here. Like I said, it's mostly new. This is kind of what a collection is going to look like from somebody who's recently started buying vinyl. He had the Infinite box set, but he had this Rhino box set as well. Hollywood Bowl, still sealed. Some Moody Blues. Pink Floyd was an original wall. Most of the Pink Floyd's all the repressed stuff. That's sealed. Couple of Boots. Beginning, middle, end. James Taylor. Half-Speed Toto. Traveling Wilburys. The Who, couple Pink Floyd Boots. Now this I'm going to have to check out there. This might be... This looks like the bootleg that came out a while back. A lot of Huey Lewis. Skinner, that's gone up quite a bit. Out of print. Analog Productions. Skinner, it sounds great. Repress. Now we did have a Classic Records Zeppelin 1. Classic Records Zeppelin 4. 3. 2. I said 4. It's 2. That's 4. Houses of the Holy. And that's it. All 200 gram. Physical Graffiti. This is all original pressing stuff. 2-disc. Sgt. Pepper. This went in and out of print quick. It's already started going up. He had a lot of great 90s Rolling Stone stuff. Some that I didn't even have. Voodoo Lounge, original UK pressing. Don't have it. I'm going to take that home. Stripped. UK pressing. Don't have it. I'm going to take it home. Bridges to Babylon. No Security. Very first Stone show I saw was actually the No Security tour. Rarities. Original Bigger Bang. Totally Stripped. Sealed Honk. A lot of copies of It's Only Rock and Roll. He had a lot of the DSD Abco stuff that came out in the early O's. Some Girls, Emotional Rescue, Steel Wheels, Flashpoint, hard to get. Some more Chicago. Some Beatles, Japanese #1, sealed Anthology 1. Some Jeff Beck, some Bee Gees, Booker T, Half-Speed Boston. Let's move those over there. Mobile Fidelity Foghat. The reissue of Say You Will. Billy Joel MFSL. All these are out of print. Sound is phenomenal on these. You better scoop them up while you can. A lot of them have started going up already. Half-Speed Billy Joel, 52nd Street. Pretty crummy sounding. Greatest Hits. I haven't listened to the reissue Billy Joel's. Mobile Fidelity sounds so great. I can't see them being bested by a digital repress. Elton. All current issue stuff. Norah Jones, Analog Productions of this is amazing. This, not so much. Some Journey. Lots of Journey. Greatest Hits 1 and 2. Carole King Tapestry. A lot of James Taylor. A lot of ELO. lot of current issue stuff. But, you know, save some money, buy it slightly used. There's the rest of the Pink Floyd. This is an original Dark Side. Pink Floyd, or the original, couple original Animals. Reissue Beggar Banquet. These are the clear vinyl. That's a second pressing. All reissue Stones. A lot of this is the clear vinyl, DSD mastered stuff. 80s December Children. Steely Dan's original. Crime of the Century. Amazing sounding record, all analog. That Paul Simon. The rest of the Pink Floyd reissues. And some Neil Diamond. All right, some Foreigner. Some more Fleetwood Mac. Saw them on this tour. It was a great show. I'm guessing they couldn't sell very many tickets because I got them from the venue last minute for $8 a piece. The rest of the Rhino reissues. All analog, amazing. Sounds great. Kind of, this is going to be some more of the Stone stuff. Like I said, the Stones section was kind of the most impressive thing he had in the collection. Some Linda Ronstadt that's out of print. MFSLs. Looks like a bootleg Buckingham Nicks. Some Alan Parsons. Some Neil Diamond. Some half-speed doobies. Or what is that? That's, yeah, the Super Disc. Nautilus. Some more doobies. Linda Ronstadt. Trio. This is probably the rest of the Stones. Lenticular, non-lenticular, some Hyde Park, Havana Moon. There's the rest of the vaults. On Air. Linda Ronstadt. I think this is out of print. Haven't been able to order that in a while. All right, guys. That's it. Follow us online. Pretty impressive collection size-wise. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.